Hi everybody, John from Rad here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these adorable little gift boxes that'll fit a gift card or gift certificate that looks just like our big boxes that our bikes come in. You're going to need your printout, a pencil, some tape, and some scissors. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is fold the creases to make the outside corners of our box. Look for these two lines right here, line them up, and then fold it just like that. Yep, you're going to want a nice crease on there, and do the same thing on the other side. Yep. Just like that. All right, now that we've got the outside corners all folded up and creased nicely, we're going to do the same thing for the bottom of the box. Yep, just flip it like this, and we're going to fold these nice creases. Just like that. Now that you've got that done, pick up your scissors. It's time to get cutting. All right, so you can cut off this section right here. We don't need any of that. And then on these places where it says cut along the line, you're gonna cut it right to the crease that we just made. Okay, yep, right there, that one, and then this one actually goes right along the crease. And that's all the cutting. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna fold it into a box. I want you to get a little piece of tape ready and maybe put them on the edge of the table where you're working so you'll have them ready to go, all right? Okay, we're gonna start by folding this side of the box right here. You're gonna make a corner, yep, and see how this is only about half as wide as the other side, and we're gonna tape it just like this, okay? Do the same thing on the other side, tape it just like that, and you'll have a little flap of tape that's sticking out here. That's gonna be really important. All right, now we're gonna fold the front of the box, and that's the one that says "You are Rad" on it, which you are. Remember that, it's true. Okay, so we're gonna fold it up here, and remember that little piece of tape that you left sticking out? This is where you're gonna use it to stick the box together, just like that. Do it on the other side too, stick it just like that, and you can see how there's no tape visible at all. Put these little ear doodads in there, fold them down just like this. At this point, you should have a box that's almost done except for the little flippy flap on the top. So you're gonna fold it over like this, and then use the front edge and your pencil and draw a line on the back side. This is not the brown side, this is the back side that should still be white like your printer paper. Now you're gonna fold along that line too, and that's going to create the flap that's gonna close. And it should fold and fit just like this as long as you fold it along that pencil line that you just drew. And there you go, you did it. It's this totally rad, cute little gift box that's sure to make someone smile. Happy holidays, and keep riding rad.